Today's daily idea is on a bull run with MyTrade.
Hi, I'm Nikki Key, and you're watching the Daily Idea. Everybody likes money, right? I mean, even the sketchiest of characters can become at least semi-interesting with a wad of cash. But let's face it, not everyone can win the lottery. So all of us regular folks looking for a little financial windfall turn to the stock market. But how do you know what stocks to buy? Well, while our crack team of researchers spent all week at the Circle K playing scratch-off games, alert viewer Andy Swan and CEO of MyTrade sent us a list of suggestions. Today's daily idea is how to become a stock market stud. Ignore your uncle. Chances are you have a jackass of an uncle or some other relative who acts like they know everything about everything. Stock tips rarely work out, and if you take one from a relative, you're setting yourself up for additional family stress. And besides, if Uncle Al knew so much about the stock market, he could afford some cologne. Listen to the kids. While this may sound a bit counterintuitive, think about it. Kids ages 12 to 17 are always hip to the latest in technology. If you paid attention when your younger cousin said, "Check out this new thing they call an iPod," and you bought stock in Apple the next day, you, sir, would be partying like a rock star. Paying attention to teenagers would also have paid off if you overheard them talking about some new game Nintendo was creating called the Wii. Sure, Apple and Nintendo were established stocks when those gadgets came out, but the good stocks only get better when the company introduces innovative new products. Avoid cheap stocks. Most first-time investors make the same rookie mistake. Cheap stocks are cheap for a reason. Most novice investors thought Google was too expensive at $100 per share when it first went public. But a $2,000 investment then is worth $14,000 just 3 years later. Please tell me you didn't spend your $2,000 on shares of Furby. Don't be afraid of the new highs. When a company reaches a new high in their stock price and they have a strong reputation, chances are the stock is going to continue to rise. These are companies that are doing well. If they are a small company whose stock has climbed rapidly, there's a good chance someone big will buy them out. That means the stock price is likely to go up, or you get shares of the larger company and/or money for your stock to boot. Think of it as trading up. Take Andy's tips to heart, research your stocks before you buy, and only play within your budget, and before you know it, you'll be a stock market stud. You can find a link to Andy Swan and MyTrade at dailyidea.tv. While there, take the time to friend us on MySpace or Facebook. They're taking over the world. Why not be part of it? And that's another Daily Idea.
Today's daily idea is brought to you by MyTrade. When you're looking for profits in the stock market, it's a good idea to visit MyTrade daily.
One more time. That's all you gotta do. One more time.
And that's it.
Are you thinking about the paper clips on the side of your arms?
One moment. I got it.
Okay.
And that's another Daily Idea.
So bad.